Okay, in this video section, I'm going to be covering the basics of off-camera flash. There's a few things you'll need: your camera, your flash, and the bit that makes the off-cam flash possible: flash camera wireless triggers. Let me show you a top-down shot so you can see how these work. Here's my camera. That camera can be put into any mode as normal. So if I turn it on, these flashes take small AA batteries. I've charged them and I've put them in. You can see there's a hot shoe here that basically slides onto here like so. You can see the green light has illuminated, so that is ready. I've got a number of these off-cam triggers. That's number one. Let's put that to one side. Don't worry about that. I'm charging some batteries for the flashes. You may have seen that separate section about different types of batteries in this segment. So here, well, let's do it properly, shall we? Let's turn that off. Let's turn that off. Let's turn that on. Light is on. Let's turn that on. Light is not on because it hasn't connected. There is a shoe and a shoe. Here's our flash. Let's turn the flash on. I always shoot in manual mode, which is that M on the top there, you can probably see. And let's put this flash on. And now make sure it's turned on before I put it on. Okay. So now you'll see below here the green light is on. Camera green light is also on. So those two are connected. The flash is on. Let's put it on a little stand to make it easier for ourselves. So that's gonna stand there. Point the flash somewhere. We'll take a picture of that maybe. Okay, so now what will happen is it's connected and synced. If I zoom in my lens, you may have saw the flash as in go off, fire off. So that's all it needs. If I quickly show you the image, that's the image there, which is basically the batteries over here. So that is an off-camera trigger. You can have multiple triggers, which I do have. So I have another one here because I have two flashes. I have another one here because sometimes I actually do off-camera flash where I can plug a lead from the trigger into the camera and have that on a tripod somewhere and have my remote, and I can actually trigger the camera differently. So I have one camera totally set up separately, taking photos from a set spot whenever I want to, and I have a camera with me. So that's a quick off-camera flash setup tutorial basically.